Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel. Welcome to the GPAT Pharmacology Chemotherapy Series 1. This series is related to history and source of chemotherapeutic drugs. Let us see about sulfonamides. Sir Gerhard Domack discovered prontosil, a dye, and exhibited its antimicrobial property, for which he got Nobel Prize in the year 1938. Penicillin, the source is Penicillium notatum. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered it. He found it in the molds of Streptococcus cultures in St. Mary's Hospital, London. A decade later, penicillin was introduced by Florey, Chain, and Abraham. Cephalosporins were isolated from the cultures of Cephalosporium acrimonium, the first source of cephalosporins. It was isolated by Broadsu in the year 1948 from the Sardinian coast. Aminoglycosides, they were natural products of or semisynthetic derivatives of compounds produced by the soil actinomycetes. Streptomycin was first isolated from the strain of Streptomyces gracis. Aminoglycosides finishing with the MICIN, example gentamicin, netilmicin, are obtained from Micromonospora species. Aminoglycosides such as MYCIN, tobramycin, the source is Streptomyces tenebrarius. Macrolides are the antibiotics derived from Polyspora erythia. Originally, it is called Streptomyces erytheus, a type of soil-borne bacteria. Chloramphenicol was introduced in the year 1948. The source is Streptomyces venezuelae. Tetracyclines were introduced in 1978. Source is Streptomyces group of actinobacteria. Clindamycin, a natural antibiotic produced by Actinobacterium, Streptomyces lincolnensis. Bacitracin, it's an antibiotic produced by Tracy L strain of Bacillus subtilis. Mupirocin is an antibiotic isolated from Pseudomonas fluorescens. Streptogramins are quinupristin and valpropistin in the ratio 30:70. It was obtained from the semisynthetic derivatives of naturally occurring agents produced by Streptomyces pristinaspiralis. Polymyxins are obtained, they are closely related antibiotics obtained from Bacillus polymyxa. Colistin is obtained from Bacillus colistinus. Vancomycin is a tricyclic glycopeptide produced by Streptomyces orientalis. The antitubercular drugs. First successful drug for TB was para-aminosalicylic acid, developed by Lehmann in the year 1943, followed by thioestazone by Domack in 1946. Isoniazid was introduced by Squibb and Hoffman. Pyrazinamide by Kushner. Rifamycin by Sensi and Margalit in the year 1957. Ethambutol by Lederle in the year 1961. And a decade before, two new drugs were introduced. Proteomanid by Stover in the year 2000 and bedaquiline by Andres and Matsumoto in the year 2006. Rifampicin, it's also called ansamycins. It is isolated from soil bacterium Amycolaptis rifamycin. You can see the spelling. Amphotericin B is a polyene antifungal antibiotic produced by Streptomyces nodosus. Capsofungin, it's a semisynthetic derivative of nemocandin B0, a naturally occurring lipophilic cyclic peptide isolated from the fungus Glaria lozoensis. Micafungin, it is also a echinocandin obtained from the fungus Xylophamma empedri. And Anidulafungin, it is obtained from the fermentation of Aspergillus nidulans. Graciofulvin is a fungistatic antibiotic obtained from the mold Penicillium graciofulvum. Alkylating anti-cancer drugs. During the World War I, toxic sulfur mustard was used as a chemical warfare. This gas caused aplasia of bone marrow, that is bone marrow depression and the depression of lymphoid tissue. In 1942, the researchers Louis Goodman and Alfred Hillman demonstrated the activity of anti-cancer activity of nitrogen mustards against mouse lymphoma. This launched the modern era of cancer chemotherapy. You know the famous book Goodman and Gilman, that is from them. Now we have the 13th edition of Alfred Goodman and Gilman. Antifolate drugs, they were introduced by Faber in the year 1948, which for the leukemia treatment. And first cure of solid tumor choriocarcinoma was done by Berlin in the year 1963, led to the development of methotrexate. Vinca alkaloids. They are the purified alkaloids from Madagascar. Periwinkle plant, Catharanthus roseus, vincristine, vinorelbine were the earliest natural clinical anti-cancer agents. Eribulin, it is a synthetic analog of halichondrin, a polyether macrolide isolated from the Pacific marine sponge, Halichondria occadi. Taxanes. Paclitaxel was isolated from the bark of western yew tree, Pacific yew, in the year 1971. Epitholones. Ixabepilone. It is a cytotoxic polyketide obtained from Sporangium cellulosum. It is a type of myxobacteria. Camptothecins, irinotecan and topotecan, are isolated from the tree Camptotheca acuminata. Actinomycin D, it is the first anti-cancer antibiotic. It's a chromopeptide isolated from Streptomyces soil bacteria. Anthracycline anti-cancer antibiotics, doxorubicin, daunorubicin, epirubicin, idarubicin, are all derived from the fungus Streptomyces fusiticus. Epipodophylotoxins, such as etoposide and teniposide, are semisynthetic derivatives of podophylotoxin from the rhizome of wild mandrake, Podophyllum piltatum. Bleomycin is an anti-cancer antibiotic obtained from the fermented products of Streptomyces verticillus. Mitomycin is a family of aziridine containing natural products obtained from Streptomyces cespitosus or Streptomyces lavandulae. Trabectedin is an anti-cancer drug derived from the marine invertebrate tunicate. Extinacidin turbinate. L-asparaginase, it's an enzyme. It is also called as chrysanthespase. It's a British approved name for asparaginase obtained from Erwinia chrysanthemi. Colaspase is the British approved name of asparaginase obtained from E. coli. EGFR HER pathway targeted therapies were introduced by Dr. Alex Ulrich and Dr. Michael Shepard at Genentech Labs, South San Francisco. The first monoclonal antibody developed for the treatment of HER2 positive breast cancer is trastuzumab. The RAS, RAF, MEK and ERK pathway inhibitors were introduced in the year 2011. BRAF inhibitor was vemurafenib, and the first MEK inhibitor is trametinib, approved by FDA in the year 2013 for melanoma chemotherapy. BCR-ABL kinase inhibitors. It was originally named as STI-571, that is signal transduction inhibitor. The famous drug, which is a very famous drug, imatinib, was the first protein kinase inhibitor approved by FDA for chronic myeloid leukemia or gastrointestinal stromal tumor. This drug was famous. The brand name in Novartis is Gleevec. The Gleevec case, it's a 7-year litigation case in India. In India, the patency was application for patency was rejected, and they gave the verdict that a product fails the tests of innovation. This famous verdict was given in the year 2013. Immune checkpoint inhibitors. Ipilimumab anti-CTLA-4 was approved by FDA in 2011. An anti-programmed death ligand 1 drug nivolumab was approved by FDA in 2014 for the metastatic melanoma. I hope it's a very short information of all the history and the sources of chemotherapeutic agents. It will be very useful for your GPAT or any other competitive exams such as a drug inspector exam. I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel. If you like this video, kindly press the like button and encourage us. Thank you.